guys, good day and welcome to another weekly update, episode 23. So, how are you guys doing? How was your day? How have you been? This is where I will be starting the video today. So, about 3 weeks ago, I was showing this particular souvenir we are making. So, the souvenir we did some, and I talk about it that the client came to collect some, and the few left is now here. We are done with it. Just the extra we are making that is on it. So the material is not enough. And by the way, I think we'll be making another souvenir this week. So probably when we are making that, I will get more material to finish up the extra that is here. So we have just started the week. I hope you guys are okay. How is your own week going? From Monday to Saturday or Friday. So, okay, let me turn the camera. There is something I need to show you and talk more about, like the bag I was making last week, and I've made a lot of it before. So some of you asked for the measurements and asked for some question I need to attend to on it. So by the way, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. If you do enjoy all our video, make sure to give this video a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section below anything you think, idea, project you want us to do, channel you want us to collaborate with. Let me know in the comment section below. So when we get feedback from you, it's really help us out to improve on this channel, on things we need to do and things we need to touch that we are not doing. So that is it, and I will see you as I proceed to make the rest of the video. So I made mention earlier that some of the souvenir are here that we've done. So these are the extra. I think this should be 4. It's not having a side, so we will be making new souvenir. So I will try as much as possible to get the side done to those as well. So, and actually since when I came back, we've been working making some bags, but did not get to vlog them. So those are, this is where we normally stock some of our bag. When we send some out to our vendors, we keep some in case if any clients come want sample or they really want to buy from us, like emergency buying. So you guys are familiar with all this bag we've been making. So there they are. And this is another one we are making presently. So this is the making process of it. This is the side with this lining inside. So we are almost done with it, and before we assemble everything, this is just the last process. So you have to fix your feet to it, your magnetic snap, the back pockets and the front cover, and your front cover and your lid as well. So, and this is the inside. The lining has been laid since I think yesterday. Yes, we leave it to dry up very well, and the inner pocket is also there. So it's now left for me now to assemble it and finish up everything. So the way it is now, if you want to make something like this for the what is it called, the Aso-Oke, I think if you buy 2 wrap, because it comes in 8 which they call it igan. It comes in 8, and sometimes the measurements start from 70, 74, even sometimes up to 90, depending on the client you are buying from or where you are buying from. So the wideness is normally 6 or more than 6 or 6.5 inch, but sometimes not normally up to 7. So as you can see, the way it is now is not enough for me to cover this, so we have to join it at the center, and that happens on, even there are some that we make it happens on the cover. Let me show you. It happens on the cover. As you can see, this is the joining of this. So that, but it's not a problem, it's just something you need to do because that's how it is made. Except if you like this one now, it is customized, but if you want more customized one to like give you the wideness of what you want, that will be freaky expensive, and it's not everybody that make that. This is fine everywhere, so we decide to go with this, and instead to just join it and put the pattern the way we want it to be. So that is it. Once I finish, I will show you and talk more about it. But okay, the measurements, I think this side the bottom is 5 inch, the top is 4 inch, while the height is 7.5 inch. So this extension you are seeing here, the extension will measure 19 inch round to this place. So you attach this to your side first before you attach it to the bag. So the bag, I think the wideness of the bag should be 9. So the way it is now, the wideness is 9. You know, we say the height is 7.5, then the bottom is 5 inch. So if you do 7.5 plus 7.5, that should give you 15, plus 5 inch that is here, that should give you 20 for this particular one. Then the front lid again, I think it should be around 9. So the wideness should be 9 as well. No, the height is 9, so the wideness should be 9 as well. So but when you are making, you see this back, this is 8 inch from here to this place. This is inch in, so you have to like slant it up to this place. So it's when the reason why we make this is some people don't know the reason why we make it. So I'm about to tell you the reason why we make it. The reason why we make it is for you, when we want to sew down this side to here, you have a space for you to sew on the machine. But if this should get to the end of this place and it cover this place, it will be difficult for you to sew. And if you don't have heavy duty machine like industrial heavy duty machine, you might not be able to sew that, and you would keep breaking your needle. Even on industrial heavy duty machine, you will still break a needle, especially you get a titanium specialized needle for heavy duty material. So that's the reason why you have to make it. So I hope this, what I just explained now, I've answered a lot of questions that have been asked. If you check on foreign bag, ready-made bag already, you see something like this. So that's the trick and science behind it. So that is that. So all this one you are seeing here that look like rubbish, when we finish, actually we will be losing out the inner thread. So it will be of like what should I call it, a seam. Yeah, it's a French seam or what. There's a seam that is being called, there's a seam that normally look like this. So we'll just say it's a seam, and this is the front lid. So I hope this have answered your question. And for this bottom fit, for you to get the accurate where it normally be, what I do is, after I measure the 7.5 inch from here to here, I will mark it from the inside, mark here from the inside as well. So I'll measure 1 inch from here to where it will be. From this side as well, I'll measure 1 inch and give a little bit of space up to like, let me say 2 or 1 centimeter, just 1 centimeter. That's why I get it accurate here, so that when you bend the lid from the inside and start sewing, it will not affect your needle or your machine. So these are all everything. So but when I finish, we will still talk more about it for better understanding. So this week updates is for me to explain more in details about this bag and for the question that are being asked. So for this back pocket, I swear this back pocket is the wideness of the Aso-Oke bag, which is 6, and the height is 5. This is 4.5. So you measure 5 and you will line it with this your vivet material. So you sew it from outside, then you turn it inward again, so that it will give it a nice look and touch. So we use this vivet material so that if you put anything inside, it will protect your soft stuff, maybe your phone or your earring or your ring or anything, to protect it. So this is 4.5 when we measure it. But when you want to cut before sewing, you measure 5. So after sewing, it will measure, it's when you remeasure it, it will measure 4.5. So that is it. And for the hand, the wideness of the hand is 1 inch by 9. So this is 9, but sometimes you can put more than 9. It depends on how you want your hand to be. So the measurement from here to the hand is 2 inch. Also the same thing here is 2 inch. While here is just 1 inch. Is 1 inch to where you fix the hand to. So and by the way, so guys, by the way, these are everything for you on the bag. So talking about this D-ring as well, for you to determine where it's going to be, you measure from here to here, you indicate the center, then you measure 1 inch from up to this particular side, the top. So you make your hole and cut it out and fix your D-ring. Then for the magnetic snap, for you to fix this magnetic snap, you measure 4 inch from the top. You also determine the center as first. You measure from this end to this end. You you indicate. Then you measure 4 inch from the top to here. You measure 4 inch, you indicate it as well. So when you want to fix this, the bottom, the ending here will be at the end of the 4 inch upward. It's not as if maybe you measure 4 inch, then it will be at the center of the 4 inch. No, this is, as you can see, this is where I mark my 4 inch. This is the biro, this is where I mark my 4 inch, so it will be from the 4 inch upward. That's how you determine where this is going to be, because you need to fix this before you assemble the rest, so that the lining can cover everything. Your work can be very, very neat. And for this, the lid where the other snap is going to be, you leave it open this way. So we have another one that's going to go there. After you finish, that's when you do this, you fix it so that everything will be accurate. It's not as if when you close the lid, one side will be up and one side will be down. That's the reason why we leave this. So after you are done with fixing the two sides to the bag and you are satisfied with what you did, then you cover this, you apply your gum to it, you cover it with the material you want to use, and you fix the other side of the magnetic snap to it. Then you test it, you test it. If it's accurate and you are satisfied with the way your bag is looking, then you glue it down and you sew it round to give it a reinforcement and durable what can I even say, to give it durability. So that's just it. And this is where we are going to stop for now. After assembling it, fixing the two sides and doing that, then we'll come back more to talk about it. I hope you guys are enjoying this. If you do, a giant thumbs up. For those of you who have not subscribed and keep coming back to watch our video, please, you can do us a favor by subscribing. It costs you nothing for you to subscribe. There's no money involved, there's nothing involved. It's just for you to click the button, and when you even click, you are the one gaining from us, because you learn new tutorial that is coming up and everything we have to offer on this channel. So thank you. Leave in the comment section your thoughts on this particular bag. Thank you all for subscribing to this channel. So guys, just want to show you a quick one. So I finished assembling the first side and the second side, as you can see. So this is the front lid for the snap, so I'll be doing that right away. So this is how the bag is looking. So just decide to show you a quick one. Guys, I just fixed the snap to this. As you can see, this is the snap cover. So I've applied the gum to this part as well. So I'm waiting for breeze to touch it a little bit for it to dry off. So before I will now fix it and rebeat it. So I'll be using, after I fix it, I'll be using this my mallet hammer to hold it in place before sewing it. So if I'm satisfied, then I will finish it. And I think this is the last process for the bag. After I done this, then I will stitch it round. When I stitch it, and the bag is good to go. So it has been fixed. So I'm just to sew this right now. So this is how the bag is looking like. So I will be stitching this now. I will stitch this, and after I stitch it, all this one, I will remove this rope that is inside. So once I start doing that, I will show you a little sneak peeks of it, then continue and finish up the bag. So guys, it has been sewn, as you can see clearly. So this is what I was talking about. Once I finish all, you see how beautiful it is. So this is, I hope you guys love this particular project and the bag. If you do, please leave in the comment section below what you think on, and if you really appreciate this video we have been doing on this channel, let me know. So this is the final product. So probably I might not get to vlog the remaining of the video and show you when I'm done with all this, because this is a very big work. It's not just something you sit down once and do. You have to dedicate your time to it and finish it up. So by the way, I will try as much as possible to indicate the picture in the vlog so that you see how beautiful the bag is looking after we finish it. So this is it. If you do enjoy this video, please give it a giant thumbs up. For those of you who are watching, keep coming back to watch, and please consider subscribing. It costs you nothing to subscribe. Thank you as you click the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one. And that is it for this particular video.